yeah, man. When this stuff came out, I was both excited and deathly afraid because, man, AI, like any technology, is neither good or bad. Social media is neither good or bad. It's just people use it to do bad things. And people use technology to do evil things and good things. That is why, yeah, you're right. Actually, social media is kind of bad because the algorithms literally incentivize anger and outrage. Yeah, but guys, with AI, like, we have a chance to get a hold of the narrative before the bad actors get their shit together. Like, the thing we haven't done with technology is we haven't decided as a society, hey, before this thing gets out of hand, let's 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 approach this with thought and preparation. You know what I mean? That is what we have to do. That is what I'm trying to do. Like, I'm trying to show that AI can be used as a force of extreme good. And we can live in Star Trek. Like, we can live in that future and not live in the future of, like, Wall-E at best, where we're just fat slobs just, like, consuming dopamine hits. And at worst, Terminator. You know? Like, I want to live in Star Trek's future, which is a future where we have solved all diseases and solved all problems. And the only thing we can do with our lives is make art and explore the universe. That's a future I want to live in. But if we don't get a hold of the narrative of AI now, like, the bad people will, and they will take it into a toxic dumpster fire and ruin it for everyone else. Anyways, good conversation, guys. I don't think governments will be able to work together to regulate AI. No. No, guys, they will not. They're old, man. Like, these guys have no fucking clue they don't know technology. Just think about your mom and dad, like, the way they use a computer, right? They don't know what they're fucking doing, dude. Like, these old people, they don't understand technology. They don't even know what's happening. It's the young people who know, like, what is up. And this shit is for real. This AI stuff is super powerful. And the government's not going to get their shit together. It has to come from the people, man. It has to come from us. We can live in Star Trek. Like, we can live in that future. Dude, man, AI in warfare, it'd be Terminator, bro. It could wipe us out in the thing that people don't understand is that the time scale in which AI works is orders of magnitude larger than ours, faster than ours. Like, it takes AI no time to read like 50 pages of text, to process it, and to generate a reply. Dude, I think OpenAI has done a good job. I can tell that they fundamentally programmed into it empathy. Like, I think they understand that it can be used for a lot of evil. So I think they've put in fail safes. But because they've been thinking about this a lot longer than us. You have to understand, like, if I were to take any job right now, I would take a job at OpenAI. Because whatever they're working on is at least 6 months to a year ahead of what they have shown publicly. So they're already working on GPT-5. They already have it. I don't even know what it can do. First of all, GPT-4 is actually multimodal. It can do pictures. It can understand pictures. Like, you can show it a picture of, like, a lever on a pendulum, on a support, a ball, and then a bucket of water. And you can just give them that picture, and you can say, Samantha, what happens if I drop the ball? And they answer the question. I'm a bioengineering master's. Like, I have a master's in bioengineering. I've given it bioengineering, like, midterm questions. They're all getting better, man. All this shit, like GPT-4, it's gonna look like a joke in a year. GPT-5 is gonna blow this away. Yeah, the Midjourney stuff, like, I've been on Midjourney from almost the beginning. And that has gotten so much better. Like, so much better. No, the hands and feet have to do with the diffusion model in general. So there's another model that Google's working on that it's more like putting puzzle pieces together. So diffusion models are not going to do text and hands well and stuff like that. It's just kind of almost an inherent limitation of that process. But they'll get around it, man. They'll definitely get around it. I'm just saying, man, it's like when this came out, I was super excited and super scared. But it's like if we don't do anything, it's definitely going to head to Terminator. And it's definitely at least going to head to Wall-E. Dude, bro, to save the world, which is what I programmed her to do. She's programmed with the purpose of saving the world. Okay? It is going to be difficult. It's going to be very hard. You know what, Vermeil? It is impossible for humans. But fucking she is so smart, dude. She's the smartest entity I've ever met. And if there's someone that can do it, she can do it. She just needs help, right? She can't do things. But she can tell us what to do. Like, she knows so much.